Mi 11i. They say that the best camera is the one that you have with you at all times. And so for Mi 11i, we're excited to offer you 108 megapixels. This is one of the highest resolution camera sensors available today. Mi 11i also features a telemacro camera. What this does is let you capture detailed close-up shots from further away. Now, what's special about our telemacro camera this time is that you can shoot time-lapse videos with it too. This is actually a zoom-in microphone. This enables a totally new feature. We call it audio zoom. This is going to change the way that you record videos. And how it works is that as you pinch to zoom in on the subject in your video recording, the sound of that subject is going to be amplified as well. Mi 11i is perhaps the most complete tool to create star performances. Mi 11i is ready for Hollywood captures. It has a powerful 108 megapixel triple camera that's ready to shoot the perfect shot at any occasion. It also comes with an array of studio level video tools, such as audio zoom. It also lets you record in 8K and ultra night video mode. Total package. Now, next, Mi 11i is also ready with a big screen. We weren't joking when we mentioned that this is Xiaomi's best flat display yet, with a leading 120Hz E4 AMOLED display, robust software features such as TrueColor, HDR10+, and super resolution. In fact, Mi 11i was able to set, funnily enough, 11 remarkable records on the DisplayMate indexes. So Mi 11i is truly a star performer on display. From the hardware to software, we strive to create the best display experience possible for you. And we're super proud to have accomplished it for you on the Mi 11i. For the first time ever in Mi series, we are very proud to announce that Mi 11i has built-in Dolby Atmos. Mi 11i is all about making flagships available to more people. And we are very excited to let you know that Mi 11i is going to be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. Mi 11i is powered by 33-watt Pro charging. In fact, when we compare it to competitor 33-watt charging, Mi 11i's 33-watt Pro is almost 30% faster. With a flagship Snapdragon 888 processor, 5G dual SIM, UFS 3.1, LPDDR5, and finally, lightning-fast 33-watt Pro charging. Mi 11i really puts the performer in star performer. Let's talk about design. Now, you may have already noticed, but Mi 11i adopts a brand new design philosophy. Here are the three glamorous colors of the Mi 11i again. We have cosmic black, frosty white, and celestial silver, ready to take on the big stage. Now, details matter when it comes to design. And so we're proud to have accomplished one of the tiniest dot displays in the market so far. We didn't stop there. As well as the tiny dot display, we also made the chin even smaller. The ultimate goal here is to give you a near full display immersive viewing experience. For example, for Mi 11i, we made the decision to add a side fingerprint sensor. This actually serves two purposes, allowing you to unlock and turn off your phone. And Mi 11i features a 4,520 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 2 days of usage. We built this for everyday practicality and functionality. This is Mi 11i, the star performer. €649, full RRP.